Have you ever wanted to connect OpenAI to WhatsApp so your customers can get intelligent, human-like replies automatically? If yes, then this tutorial is exactly for you. Because in this video, I'll show you how to connect OpenAI to WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your own AI-powered WhatsApp assistant that can understand customer questions, answer them instantly, and provide responses based on your business information instead of generic replies. Now, before we start building it, let me first explain what we are going to create in this tutorial. See, the feature that we'll be using inside Pabbly Chatflow is called the AI Assistant. This feature allows you to connect OpenAI with WhatsApp. But this is not just a normal ChatGPT integration. Along with OpenAI, you can also provide your own business knowledge base, such as your product details, FAQs, business policies, pricing, documents, or any other business information. And whenever a customer sends a message on WhatsApp, the AI first understands the customer question using OpenAI and then answer it using the knowledge base that you have provided. This gives much accurate and business specific responses. For this tutorial, I am using grocery store as an example. I have created this AI assistant for a supermarket, but you can easily use the same process for your own business. Whether you run an electronic stores, clothing brands, restaurant, coaching institutes, or any other industry, the steps will remain exactly the same, only your knowledge base will change. Now let me show you how this AI assistant actually works in real time. Right now, I am on my WhatsApp and this is already connected with the AI assistant through Pabbly Chatflow. Now, as soon as I'll send a message, recommend healthy breakfast items under 800. Within a few seconds, the AI assistant understands my question and replies to me like this. Let's try something another. Do you offer same-day delivery? Again, the AI assistant gives me the answer. And this is just a small demo. Your customers can ask questions in different ways and the AI assistant will understand the meaning behind those questions instead of matching exact keywords. And that's the biggest advantage of using OpenAI. Customers can chat naturally and the AI can respond naturally. Now, one more thing that many people get confused about is how this AI assistant actually works. The answer is very simple. There are two things working together. The first is OpenAI, which understands the customer messages, identifies what customer is asking, understands the context, and generates natural human-like response. And the second is your knowledge base. This contains your business information like products, FAQs, delivery policies, pricing, or any other documents that you want the AI to use while answering. When a customer sends a message, OpenAI understands the question and then AI uses your knowledge base to generate an accurate business-specific replies. That's why the replies are much more reliable than using ChatGPT alone. And the best part, you don't have to train the AI model manually. You simply upload your business knowledge base inside Pabbly Chatflow, select the model provider as well as the model variant, connect your API key from here, and your assistant is ready to start answering customer questions on WhatsApp. This saves huge amount of time because your team no longer needs to answer the same questions repeatedly. So if you have been looking for an easy way to connect OpenAI to WhatsApp without coding, then Pabbly Chatflow makes entire process simple. Everything is done through a simple setup, and within a short time you will have your own AI-powered WhatsApp assistant ready to help your customers. Now that you have seen how it works and understands the customer's inputs, if you also want to create this type of AI-powered WhatsApp assistants for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So this is the quick overview of the tool and its feature AI assistant and how OpenAI integration works with Pabbly Chatflow. In this tutorial, my main focus is to show you how to connect OpenAI to WhatsApp and make your AI assistant work with your own knowledge base. If you want me to create a separate detailed tutorial explaining the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow from scratch, such as how to create it, train it with your knowledge base, configure all the settings and optimize it for your own business, then let me know in the comment section. Based on your business, I'll create a step-by-step tutorial covering each and everything in detail. I I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.